Did you know that the average household is home to over 300,000 objects? That's a vast amount of clutter. It's a mind-boggling fact, isn't it? Designing a simple life with minimalist habits involves intentionally simplifying various aspects of your life to focus on what truly matters to you. Now, picture the effort and hours poured into managing, cleaning, and putting all these items in order. It's incredibly overwhelming, isn't it? As we take a momentary break, allow us to extend a heartfelt greeting. Welcome to Future Mind. Let's jump back into our conversation now. Welcome minimalism, a refreshing counter to this clutter-laden reality. Minimalism champions quality over quantity, possessing less but possessing better. Fewer obligations, but ones that are more significant. It's about carving out space in your life for things that truly bring you joy and satisfaction. But what if there was a method to cut down on clutter and lead a simpler, more rewarding life? Designing a simple life with minimalist habits involves intentionally simplifying various aspects of your life to focus on what truly matters to you. Here are some suggestions to help you embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Start by decluttering your living space. Dispose of things you don't use or need. Adopt the rule of one in, one out to avoid unnecessary accumulation of possessions. Simplify your wardrobe by creating a capsule wardrobe with versatile, high-quality items that can be mixed and matched. Discard or sell clothes you no longer wear. Organize your digital life by deleting unnecessary files, emails, and apps. Set aside specific times for browsing social media and keep your online activities to a minimum to limit digital noise. Practice mindful shopping. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if the item adds value to your life or if it's just a fleeting wish. Choose quality over quantity when shopping. Learn to turn down commitments that aren't aligned with prioritize essential tasks and focus on the activities that bring you joy and satisfaction. Adopt a simpler, healthier diet by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. Take regular breaks from electronic devices. Designate specific times to unplug and enjoy activities without screens. Simplify your finances by consolidating accounts and automating bill payments. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude by appreciating what you have, rather than constantly seeking more. Nurture meaningful connections with others and let go of toxic or draining relationships. Simplify your hobbies by focusing on a few that truly bring you joy and satisfaction. Slow down and present moment. The key to a minimalist lifestyle is not deprivation, but intentional living. Focus on what adds value to your life and let go of the rest. It's an ongoing process, so be patient with yourself as you work towards simplifying and creating a life. Minimalism is a lifestyle that helps you remove unnecessary items, thoughts, and activities from your life. Take, for instance, Marie, a working mother of two. She was constantly overwhelmed by the clutter in her house until she decided to adopt the one in, one out rule. This simple principle states that for every new item that comes into your home, one item must go. This practice helped Marie maintain a balance, preventing unnecessary accumulation of possessions and creating a more organized and peaceful living environment. Now let's step into the realm of fashion. The concept of a capsule wardrobe is a minimalist's best friend. Imagine having a wardrobe consisting of only versatile, high-quality items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Sounds great, doesn't it? This is exactly what Sarah, a fashion blogger, did. By donating or selling clothes she no longer wore, she simplified her wardrobe and in turn simplified her daily decision of what to wear. And minimalism isn't just limited to physical items. Our digital lives can also benefit from this approach. Ever heard of digital minimalism? It's all about decluttering your digital life. Organizing and deleting unnecessary files, emails, and apps can significantly reduce digital noise. Just like Tom, a software engineer, who set aside specific times for social media and limited his online activities, you too can enjoy a more focused and less distracted life. The beauty of minimalism lies in its simplicity and the freedom it provides from the modern world's materialistic tendencies. By embracing minimalism, we can focus on what truly matters, be it our passions, relationships, or personal growth, and live a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Minimalism is not about having less. It's about making room for more time, more peace, and more joy. It's a journey that begins with mindful consumption, asking ourselves before each purchase, does this add value to my life, or is it a fleeting desire? By choosing quality over quantity, we can prevent unnecessary accumulation of possessions. The next step is simplifying our schedules, learning to say no to commitments that don't align with our priorities. It's about decluttering not just our physical space, but our mental space as well. Mindful eating is another essential pillar of this lifestyle. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, we nourish our bodies with intention, enjoying our meals instead of multitasking. Simplicity in this case equates to healthfulness. In our digitally dominated world, a digital detox can be a breath of fresh air. Designating specific times to unplug, creating phone-free zones in our homes, and decluttering our digital lives can significantly reduce digital noise. Financial minimalism is about consolidating accounts, automating bill payments, and evaluating our spending habits. It's about prioritizing essential expenses over non-essential ones, helping us gain control over our finances. The minimalist lifestyle also encourages us to cultivate a mindset of gratitude, appreciating what we have rather than constantly seeking more. Keeping a gratitude journal can be a wonderful tool to reflect on the positive aspects of our lives. In terms of relationships, it's about nurturing meaningful connections with others and letting go of toxic or draining relationships. It's about quality, not quantity. Our hobbies too can be simplified by focusing on a few that truly bring us joy and fulfillment. Finally, embracing slow living means slowing down and savoring the present moment. It's about practicing mindfulness in our daily activities, appreciating the beauty in simplicity, and finding joy in the small things. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle, you can create a life that aligns with your values and focuses on what truly matters. The journey towards minimalism is an ongoing process. It requires patience and commitment. It's a voyage not without its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. Imagine a life where each item you own serves a purpose or brings you joy. A life where your digital and physical spaces are free from unnecessary clutter, allowing for mental clarity and focus. A life where you consume mindfully, invest in quality, and appreciate the value of less. However, embarking on this journey is not always straightforward. The initial stages of decluttering can be overwhelming. You may find yourself hesitating, holding on to items out of nostalgia or fear of needing them someday. It's important to remember that it's okay to let go. The first step is often the hardest. But once you start, you'll find that the process becomes easier. Each item you discard, each non-essential commitment you decline, brings you one step closer to a simpler life. The beauty of minimalism lies in its flexibility. It's not about owning a certain number of items or living in an all-white, sparse environment. It's about making intentional choices that align with your values and enhance your life. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle can also lead to unexpected benefits. You might find yourself with more time, more money, and less stress. You may discover a new appreciation for the simple pleasures in life, like a quiet morning with a cup of coffee or an afternoon spent reading a good book. Your journey towards minimalism will likely look different from others. That's perfectly okay. Minimalism is a personal journey, tailored to your unique needs and preferences. You get to decide what adds value to your life and what doesn't. As you embark on this journey, remember to be patient with yourself. Change takes time, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Embrace the process and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember, the key to a minimalist lifestyle is not deprivation, but intentional living. Focus on what adds value to your life and let go of the rest. Because at the end of the day, minimalism isn't about having less. It's about making room for more time, more peace, more joy. If you've enjoyed our journey through minimalism and found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It's a simple way to support the channel and helps us continue to bring you content like this. If you know someone who might benefit from adopting a minimalist lifestyle or is looking to declutter their life, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Remember, minimalism isn't just about decluttering your space. It's about decluttering your life to make room for what truly matters. And if you want to continue this journey with us, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We regularly post content about minimalism, simple living, and intentional choices. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards minimalism. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.